What's up, ladies and gents? I just want to show you guys the setup. I'm gonna go run a little bit right now with my dog Benji. I'm gonna go run, warm up for the day. I want to take out the kayak later, go fix my bike. So hopefully get all that done today. So let's get it. Yes, sir. Have a good day, y'all. Just wanted to be like, have a good day. Stay blessed. Stay up. Yes, sir. Let's get this run. Get ready. Yes, sir. My dog Benji right there. Yes, sir. Benji, what's up, buddy? How are you doing? You ready to go on a run? Okay, let's go. And here it is. Kayak. Yes, sir. We're gonna go toss it in the lake. It's nice out. So, yes, sir. I got them all ready. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's get this run all ready and set. Have a blessed day. Yes, sir. Hey. You know, if you're tired, nah, look at them legs move. Yeah. Come on, Benji. Yes, sir. Coming in hot. Good job, Benji. That's what it's all about, guys. In America, work, work, work. So you gotta push yourself every day. That ain't it, Chief. That ain't it. Put me in, Coach. Put me in. Come on, Benji. That's push yourself every day. Don't give up. Go run at least 20, 30 minutes of your day. Get them legs all stretched out. Alright, you guys, just got done running. Back at the house now. Gonna set up all these fishing rods. And take all the string from all this. Set up this one. Got a whole new string. I'll put this one on this one. See how short it is. Can't really throw it, but yeah. And I'm also gonna take my bike, which is right here. It's a Sunday. It's missing this little piece right there. Yep, that one right there. I'm gonna go to this Wilson Cycle. It's called that downtown. Take it, fix it, but yep, and then show you guys loading the bike, and then let's go to the lake. Let's go fix the bike, bring it back, and then let's hit the lake so we can do some fishing. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, got the bike all done. As you guys can see, we're just missing this little, missing this little piece like I showed you guys earlier. It's not good though. Gonna chop this off, load the kayak. I didn't want to record the place at the bicycle shop. It's like owned by locals, and to be respectful. for now.
What do we see?
Opening the kayak.
Kayak?
Mm-hmm.
A boat?
Yes.
Kayak?
Yes.
Kayak?
Yes. Kayak?
This is a kayak. Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a kayak. There's your kayak. There's your kayak.
Take the plastic off. Take the plastic off. Quítaselo. Thank you. So, let's go check. Let's go take a look. Good? Yes? High five. Thank you.
Where do we?
Going fishing. Alright, we made it to the park, guys. Gonna start unloading everything off until we catch something. Show you guys what we get. Yes, sir. Alright, as you guys can see, I made it into the water. I did some drone shots, but I don't think I did that good on them. But we're gonna start fishing here in a bit. Hopefully we catch something. It wasn't too bad. Gotta just get everything organized, have everything all set. But yeah, not too bad. Let's get to the fishing. Yes, sir. Feels good out here in the kayak. Yes, sir. You know, stay blessed, stay up. Hope everybody's having a good day. Man, Alright, y'all, I set up the new stuff at the house. Got the new Shimano reel. It's pretty nice. Set up at the house. I just see them jumping like on the side. But it's just so hard with this fucking wind. Wrap it up for the day. Not too bad. Oh, but yeah, it was good. Just to bring out the kayak. Wasn't really trying to fish that much. I was just trying to test out the kayak, see how it was, the pros and cons. But it was good overall, not too bad. It was fun. But yeah, let me post this, post something tomorrow and let you guys know what's up as well. Have a good day, y'all. Thanks for watching. Yes, sir.